Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today we're going to take a journey into the heart of a peaceful forest, where we'll connect with the natural rhythm of our breath and find deep relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze downward. Let's begin by taking a moment to arrive fully in this space. Notice any tension you might be carrying from your day, and with your next exhale, let it begin to melt away. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. One more time, breathing in deeply and letting go completely. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Simply observe each breath as it flows in and out, without trying to change anything. Just witnessing the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the soft expansion and contraction of your belly. Now I invite you to imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The morning sun filters through the canopy above, creating dancing patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor. You can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant song of birds welcoming the new day. As you step into this peaceful sanctuary, notice how the air feels different here. It's fresh and clean, filled with the earthy scent of moss and rich soil. Each breath you take feels nourishing, purifying, healing. Walk slowly along a soft path covered with fallen leaves. With each step, you feel more grounded, more connected to this natural world around you. Your breathing naturally deepens as you move further into the forest's embrace. Find a comfortable spot to sit, perhaps on a fallen log covered with soft moss, or against the sturdy trunk of an ancient tree. Feel the support beneath you, the solid earth holding you safely. As you settle in, notice how your breathing begins to sync with the gentle rhythm of the forest. Breathe in the fresh, clean air, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming part of this peaceful ecosystem. The trees around you breathe too, taking in what you release and giving back fresh oxygen. You're part of a beautiful exchange and natural harmony. With each inhale, imagine drawing in the calm energy of the forest. Feel it filling your lungs, spreading through your bloodstream, reaching every cell in your body. And with each exhale, release any stress, any worry, any tension you've been carrying. Let the earth absorb it all, transforming it into nourishment for the plants and trees around you. Continue this gentle breathing, allowing the forest to breathe with you. Notice how the rhythm of your breath
matches the swaying of the branches overhead, the gentle whisper of wind through the leaves. You are completely safe here, completely at peace. If your mind begins to wander, simply return your attention to your breath and to this beautiful forest sanctuary. There's nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do except breathe and be present in this moment. Feel the wisdom of the ancient trees surrounding you. They've weathered many storms, yet they remain rooted, steady, resilient. Allow some of that strength and stability to flow into you with each breath. You too have everything you need within you to remain centered and calm. As we continue breathing together in this peaceful space, notice how relaxed your body has become. Your shoulders soft, your jaw unclenched, your entire being melting into the supportive embrace of the forest floor. The gentle sounds around you, the rustling leaves, the distant bird songs, all become part of your meditation, deepening your sense of connection and peace. Take a few more deep, conscious breaths in this sacred space. With each inhale, absorbing the tranquility of the forest. With each exhale, releasing completely into this moment of pure peace and relaxation. Now, as our time in the forest comes to a gentle close, take a moment to express gratitude for this experience, for your breath, for this moment of peace you've given yourself. Begin to slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening your physical body while carrying the calm energy of the forest with you. When you're ready, take a deeper breath and gently open your eyes, returning to your day refreshed and centered, knowing you can return to this peaceful forest sanctuary anytime you need through the simple act of conscious breathing. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me.